to today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Honorable Favour Williams, speaking at the QMAX Wealth Management Spring Investment Forum at the Terra Nova Hotel this week, shared that the government has a multi-pronged approach to the various challenges facing the economy. The Minister of Finance drew a parallel between COVID-19 and the current trade war environment. She states, and we quote, "We are a small, open economy. We will be impacted by the price increases due to tariffs when they are enacted. The impact of the tariffs will depend on how competitive the industry is. Profits may not be as robust for certain businesses as in the past." End quote. Minister Williams also noted that there are also opportunities to integrate into the global market with intention rather than reaction. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited has advised that effective May 1st, Willard Brown has been appointed Chief Executive Officer of Sagicor Life Jamaica Limited. Sagicor Jamaica has also advised that Joanna Banks will transition into an expanded strategic leadership role within the group as Executive Vice President, Strategy and Business Development and Chief Technology Officer. At the QMAX Wealth Management Spring Investment Forum at the Terra Nova last week, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, reeled off the double-digit growth of numerous stocks.
Over 20 on the main market and over 12 on the junior market, performing more than 20% to record levels of 74% increase in your price. So what does this tell you?
Who grew by 74% last year?
Let us go.
Inquiring minds want to know. Trans-Jamaica. Oh yes, that was a good one.
We had quite a few of them, Kalila, so I can share with you, with the audience afterwards. But quite a few of those companies we had. Let us just get the facts. It is important to get the facts.
She came prepared.
Oh, yes. Yes,
brought the receipts.
I really want to encourage people in terms of investing in the market. You know, sometimes people feel that, okay, the market does not seem as robust, but there are opportunities in the market. So we have Wicton advancing 75.95%, wow. Lasco 74.83%.
Which one are the Lascos?
Lasco Manufacturing. Yeah. Trans-Jamaica Highway, 70.85%. Carreras Limited, 58.18%. Cab Cement, 46.57%. And do you want me to continue? What it means is that there are opportunities. And that is in the main market. And then we go on.
And I'm particularly impressed that that list is led by two former government companies, oh, yes. Trans-Jamaica and Wicton.
Exactly, yes. And Blue Power, 79.4%. Iron Rock, 54.37%. Everything Fresh, 38.16%. And these are prices and advances that you could not get normally in terms of fixed income securities. So that means that there are opportunities in the market, and what people need to do is to check with their broker and to say, what are the opportunities? And also to look for themselves, because the information is also on the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website. So significant, you know, and you can diversify within the portfolio. You can look at moving from manufacturing, if that is the case, or to another. So obviously, the top advances are there, and If you see a declining, you can go to look at another stock. So that is the point about the opportunities in the market.
For the trading period ending May 1, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 10,510,880 units traded, representing 52.92% of market sales volume. Billboard advertising and real estate firm Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,544,399 units traded, representing 7.78% of market sales volume. Media conglomerate Radio Jamaica Limited with 1,193,541 units traded, representing 6.01% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 1, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $52.21 million purchased and US $53.90 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.80 per dollar, selling the US at $159.52 and buying the US at $157.72. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.54 per transaction, with selling at $114.70 and buying at $112.16. The British pound yielded Forex traders 76 cents in profits, with selling at $210.78 and buying at $210.67. For our credit report tip of the day, a strong credit score is one of the most underused tools in building a better life. It's not just about borrowing money, it's about positioning yourself to access better opportunities, reduce everyday costs, and fund the things that truly matter. Whether you want to grow a business, buy a property, or simply improve your monthly cash flow, your credit score can work for you if you know how to use it. We have some suggestions. You can use your credit to establish financial partnerships like joint ventures or co-investments with credibility. Additionally, you can plan major life events like weddings or dream vacations using responsible financing. When you are building something from nothing and you're going from financial recovery to financial resilience, many women over the age of 45 quietly wonder if they've missed their window to create wealth. But here's the truth. It's not too late and you're not too far behind. Financial resilience doesn't come from a perfect past. It comes from a powerful decision to start where you are and move forward with purpose. So today can be the day you stop surviving and start building. Here are some suggestions. First, say no to comparison and yes to competition with yourself. The journey is yours. Progress, not perfection. Then practice radical self-discovery and self-advocacy. Speak up for yourself, invest in yourself, and bet on yourself fiercely. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward for your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.